Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to make your AirPods or earbuds announce the name of the person who is calling you on your Samsung phone. For that one, what you need to do is you need to go to this phone application here, tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, select answering and ending calls. Now here there is an option read caller names aloud. If it is disabled, then enable this option. Also tap on it and there are more options here. If you want the phone to announce the name of callers only when you are using Bluetooth or headphones, then you can select this option over Bluetooth and headphones only. If you want the phone to announce the name of caller always while using Bluetooth device or not, then select always. Also you can select this option read caller names twice so that the phone will repeat the name of the caller. Now when you do this, then sometimes you will not be able to hear the name of the caller. So in that case you might be using third-party calling applications such as Truecaller. So what you do is go ahead and then you have to open the Truecaller application. So let me open Truecaller application. After that, tap on this three dotted icons here and go to settings. Now inside this one, go to this option calls, scroll down and here there is an option announce phone calls. Enable this option and then go to settings. Here also there are few options. If you select always, the phone will always announce the name of the caller, and if you select only when connected to headphones, it will only announce the name of the caller when Bluetooth devices are connected. And if you want to announce the name of the caller which are saved in the contacts only, then select this option announce calls from saved contacts only. After that you can go back and if you select this option try it, then you can hear how it sounds when someone calls you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.